Hoppers, and welcome to MuchoHop. Today I have a Vueling flight going from Barcelona to Valencia. Okay, let's look for our flight. Here is Valencia 5:15, Vueling 1316. And if you have to check in your bag, you have to go to counters 401, 512. And the gate that we're departing from is either A, B, or C. Always make sure that you know which terminal your airline is leaving from, okay? Very important. Vueling leaves from Terminal 1 in Barcelona. You know, I don't know this by heart. I haven't memorized every airline from which terminal they all leave from all over the world. It's impossible. So you have to look this up, okay? I always look it up, even if I know it, because during the pandemic, we know that they were changing terminals. Some terminals were closed, so always look that up. All right, so these are the Vueling check-in desks, okay? If you have to check in a bag, or if you don't have your boarding pass, they can help you with that. We're gonna go past security now, because just to get it over with. And the gates are, let's say, on the other side once you pass security, so we're gonna do that now. And that's where you go for boarding gates. There's the security control. Okay, we're gonna go there. Cameras off. Right after security, you have to find the signs. It's like right in front of you, the sign that says boarding gates. All right. Yes, it's very easy. It's right in front of your face, right after security. And then you have to look for your boarding gate. It's not on the screen yet because it's too early. So here at Barcelona Airport, you have gates A, you see to the left, gates B and gates C to the right. You also have gates D and E. I'll show you that in a minute. This airport is sort of oval. You could go around, you know. It's like an oval inside an oval. That's how it is. But it's pretty easy to get around. There you see gates D and E to the left, and you see the exit and baggage claim, and also restrooms, bars, cafes, whatever. So just follow the signs and you won't have any problem. So let's look for our boarding gate. So let's look at the information here. Here's the Valencia flight. 5:15 Valencia, Vueling flight 1316. We have to go towards B, and the gate information will be posted in 10 minutes. We know we have to go towards B, so there's a sign to go to B. We're going this way. I have to go down that way. It's straight down. It's not circular down there, okay? All right, so that way. So we see Valencia B52, like the music group. So we're going towards gate B52. I got priority, so that means I can take a personal bag and a carry-on suitcase, okay? And we get to go in first. Actually, I got it because it was cheap. And I also got it because it included the seat. All right, so look. Group 1.
and welcome to Valencia Airport. We have landed at 6 o'clock p.m. local time.
We only have hand luggage, so we don't have to go to baggage claim. My favorite. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Salida, exit, this way. Okay, hoppers, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had never filmed Vueling before, but as you can see, more or less all airplanes are the same. And it also depends on the day and the crew. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You know, I filmed Valencia several times. I showed you how to get to the airport and how to get to the coast, and I showed you the fallas, but I never really showed you the city. So today I am filming the city, just like a few things that I like about the city, and then, I mean, there's so much to see here.